Well, we're back again with another installment video. Today we're going to be working on the turn signal kit that I've gotten from Corbin Customs Works. And we also have the horn kit as well. And here's all the pieces laid out. And we got the fang lights as well. But in order to get started, I need to take off the grill. Got to take off the upper dash panel. Take out the seats and the center console. I'll get those taken off and we'll be back in a sec. Alright, we got everything removed. I forgot to tell y'all to remove the hood as well. And we need to disconnect the battery too. But you see everything is out, so we have room to work. And the next thing we got to do is start running the harness. And we'll start with the main harness, and we'll have to run it through this grommet right here. And we'll pull it all the way to the back. Alright, I got the main wiring harness run through the grommet here. This piece right here goes to the control module, which will be mounted right over here. We have these. They're not routed yet, but these will go to the fangs for the turn signals. And the main wiring harness runs down through there. Comes through here. It's tucked away all nice and neat. Continues on back through there. Comes out right through here, and I got it going over the belt housing. Routed right back through here. Got the fuse mounted up here, and it connects to the back wiring for the taillights and stuff right there. Alright, the control module is attached with the long zip ties that was included. And now it's time to run the switches. And we're going to be cutting these two holes out and installing them there. This will be for the hazard and the left and right hand turn switch. Now the turn signal and hazard switch is installed. The wiring, got it all buttoned up. Where's it at? There it is. It's all buttoned up and ran. Back over here to the module. Connects right there. So now on to the fangs. That's the only thing we like left, and running the wires for those. Instructions say to remove the whole front fascia, but since the bumper and everything and the winch is installed, I'm going to try to reach in and then screw those nuts on both fangs. See if we can get it. There it is. There's 3 on each side. And we'll try to do it this way. Yeah, the fangs are installed. They wasn't too bad without moving the front fascia. I did have to take this off in order to get the nuts back there. But all the wires are all tucked away nice and neat. Got everything tied up here on this harness. And before I hook everything back up, I got the horn kit, so I'm going to install it next. Alright, we got the horn installed using the T40 bolt right there. Got the wires ran to it and through the grommet. And then we'll go on the other side and pop out one of these and install the horn switch. Alright, horn switch is installed. And we got the wiring all tucked away. So now all we got to do is connect everything to our bus bar. All the wires that took off and all the ones that need to be added, we'll get those all connected, get our fuses in, and reinstall all of our panels. and seats, and we'll see if everything works. Alrighty, everything is completed. Now we'll see how everything works. Well, we got power. Let's check the horn. Oh, it works. Now let's check out our turn signals. Oh yeah, look at that. Fabulous. Check out the other side. Oh yes, it works as well. Check out the front. Oh, looking good. Now hazards. Oh yeah. Look at that. That really looks good. Well, it was a super easy kit other than taking everything apart. Super nice. Oh, let's get a look at those lights. The running lights. Man, I like those things. But yes, the Corbin Custom Works kit was super simple. Other than taking everything apart, it was not a bad install at all. So I guess we'll continue on. We'll try to get the windshield on today. Alrighty, we got the Moto Armor windshield for the RZR XP 1000. So in order to attach it, you just got to put these clips on around the roll bars, kind of in position about where the mounting holes on the windshield will be. Just snug them up a little bit where you can still move them around. And that was to install the windshield. Get it in position to where it fits snugly around everything. Tighten her down. Alright, the windshield is completed. It does make a difference and it looks good. Another super simple item to install. Got it up to the brackets. Tightened down the thumb screws down a little bit. Got her scooted up in position where I liked it. And just tightened down the brackets on all four corners. But that's it, guys. I think that'll do it for today. If you like what you see, please like, share, comment down below. We'll see you on the next.